Hey everybody, I just came back from a meeting this afternoon, hence the attire. I normally don't dress like this. I just want to share another great tip with you this week and some great free resources on our website. One of the things that people ask me all the time is, should I file a claim? I've had a minor fender bender, there's some damage on my vehicle. Do I want to turn this into my insurance or do I want to pay for it out of my pocket? Now for some of you, you may be asking, why would this even be a question? But a while back, when most of us started driving that are my age, there was an opportunity where you could have an accident and they wouldn't raise your insurance premiums or the price you pay for insurance. Today, they raise your insurance as soon as you have an accident. So what I did was I've come up with this thing called Should I File a Claim Calculator. And what I'm going to do is just go over this briefly with you so you can help determine whether you should turn in a claim for your insurance or not. At the end of the day, what happens is this just becomes a financial decision that's you need to decide what's in your best interest. You're also at some point going to need some input from your insurance agent. But on the top of this form, you just fill out the cost of the repair. So you can come in and get an estimate. By the way, we have on-site estimates, so we can come to you and write that estimate. And then you're going to figure out the total of the repairs. And then in the next section of this, in the purple section, you're going to figure out what is your insurance going to go up and how much. This is where you're going to need some help from your insurance agent so they can tell you exactly how much your insurance premium is going to go up. And then you fill in at the top, what's the total of the repair out of pocket. That's the total cost of the repair. It's the top of the page. Then you figure out if you file a claim, you'd have to pay your deductible and you'd have a rate increase. And so in the example that we've got here, you can see that you've got $2,000 worth of damage, even with a rate increase, and usually that rate increase is over 3 years, so you're going to have to pay $610 versus $2,000, and of that, the $360 you get to pay over 3 years. So you can see in this example, it's really easy to make the decision that the best financial decision for you is to spend the $610, let the insurance company fix the car. On the right side, it's been left blank for you to fill that out. Again, this form is on our website, so please feel free to go to www.sharpautobody.com and download this resource. This is also a great resource to help all your friends and family. So please share it, and we'll see you next week. Between now and then, be safe and have some fun.